Okay, so welcome everyone to this webinar dedicated to 3D Experience Social Collaboration Services. My name is David Da Silva from Kionis. I'm in charge of the pre-sales solution activity, and we will present you the new solution of Dassault Systèmes.
Thank you, David. So welcome everyone. Welcome to this session called 3D Experience Social Collaboration Services, introducing the new initiative from Dassault Systèmes dedicated to the CATIA V5 customers. I'm David Bidot, and I'm in charge of cloud sales development at Dassault Systèmes. And for this presentation, I will be with Florent Leclerc and Carole Charlot-Lequin. So let's take a few minutes concerning the 3D Experience platform. The roots of the 3D Experience platform lie in the V6 digital architecture introduced in 2008 that broke the silos between CATIA for design, Simulia for simulation, Delmia for manufacturing, and Enovia for governance, and then delivered as applications on the platform. Since 2012, with the advent of the 3D Experience platform, big data capabilities, it's possible to analyze, structure, and instruct data, integrate data from both external and internal sources, and provide dashboards that deliver actionable information to all stakeholders in a secure and auditable manner. All Dassault Systèmes applications are now available through the 3D Experience platform. Each quadrant of the compass houses the brand application collaboration is really at the heart of the 3D Experience platform. So, with the 3D Experience Social Collaboration Services, the CATIA V5 users paying their annual maintenance will get access to the 3D Experience platform on the cloud with no additional cost. These CATIA V5 users or customers will be able to connect their existing CATIA V5 software to the 3D Experience platform on the cloud and be able to collaborate anytime, anywhere, and on any device, access all their business innovation and knowledge in a collaborative way. So we do not talk anymore about software migration. CATIA V5 users do not need anymore to migrate their software to work with the 3D Experience platform. Let's talk about some other important points. The number of the 3D Experience Social Collaboration Services licenses is equal to the CATIA V5 licenses under maintenance. And shared licenses are not covered. As an example, a customer having 5 CATIA V5 licenses will have 5 3D Experience Social Collaboration Services licenses, which can be given to anyone within the company, either the CATIA V5 designers, but also anyone working on the project, either a project manager, a supplier, a contractor, or a customer, for example. Through this initiative, you will get an access to apps with business innovation role, content with CATIA communities, and services with the 3D Experience Marketplace.
So if we look a little bit more in details about the different values that are given for you as an end user, regarding the business innovation role on the cloud, you can get benefit of the powerful search engine through the different systems that are around the 3D Experience platform. You will be able to get access also to the 3D Drive, which is the online cloud storage, where the information will be secured through the 3D passport, allowing you to manage and share all your data in any kind of format, and even CAD data such as CATIA V5, and on any release of the CATIA V5 software. You will also be able to benefit through this 3D Drive of one key value, which is a 3D Play. 3D Play gives the ability to any kind of user, and not only the CATIA designers, to visualize, manipulate, navigate the project structure, annotate and comment CAD data directly within 3D Drive without to launch CATIA V5 application. So anyone, a project manager or a contractor or a customer, can consume CAD data without having the need to launch their CATIA V5 software. The collaboration is also in the heart of the initiative, and with 3D Swim, people will be able to rapidly start a project, unite co-workers, contributors, customers to collaboratively work and share information in an easy way. People will also be able to raise ideas, answer questions, and so on via this collaborative aspect. Finally, the 3D dashboard allows you to centralize in a single place all the information that are related to a particular project and also needed for the project management. Thanks to that, people will be able to simplify their work, and this on any kind of device, either a phone, a tablet, or even a computer. Let's have a view of the video highlighting a user case with 3 different users.
This demonstration illustrates the added value of the 3D Experience social collaboration services offer for CATIA V5 users. We will go through this storyboard with a collaborative scenario between 3 users. First, 1 project manager and 2 CATIA users connected with Business Innovation role on the cloud. In this first sequence, we will use the Business Innovation apps to set up a new project with 3D Dashboard and 3D Swim, and also to store, secure, and share data with 3D Drive. 3D Dashboard delivers a real-time intelligence to monitor your business, follow up data feeds and your network activity through a personalized dashboard. It delivers a unified user experience by instantiating pre-configured widgets delivered along with the apps. Dashboard allows the project manager to analyze data from all sources to assist in decision making. Carol is project manager in Oscar company. She connects to the 3D Experience platform and the Oscar dashboard. She navigates her dashboard on the platform and browses the contents posted on 3D Swim. Carol displays a previous project. From 3D Drive app, she retrieves the data on the cloud and visualizes the content. An interesting idea is shared in the Oscar community about a new drone. Carol adds a new command to this idea and validates the concept state. She creates a new tab to kick off the project. Using the 3D Swim widget, she sets up the dedicated community for sharing around this new concept. Silverbird. She defines the community parameters and sets the visibility as private for the study. She adds the team members to this community. Then she completes the setup by instantiating the 2 widgets 3D Drive and 3D Play. Using 3D Drive, she stores securely the sketches of the new flying wing concept. She shares from her drive to Alain, the mechanical engineer of the company. she contacts Alain so he can start working on the surfaces and fuselage structure. The second sequence illustrates the usage of the business innovation role for a CATIA V5 user, including data and information sharing related to the progress of the project. What are the main key values for CATIA users? First, the connection to the platform and the access on the cloud. The capability to store securely, synchronize and share files. The access to files stored on the cloud directly from CATIA V5. And the preview of V5 files, allowing the review and annotation. While navigating his dashboard, Alain reads the notification, then visualizes the sketches with 3D Play. He downloads the files to start a new study. From the Compass, he accesses to the CATIA V5 app and starts the Launcher online installation. He starts CATIA V5 from the cloud and starts working on the design of the surfaces. He stores the data on his drive by creating a new folder. Data are automatically synchronized. Alain can also access directly to the Compass from CATIA V5. Here he is browsing his data. Back on his dashboard, Alain visualizes a 3D model with 3D Play. He works on the internal structure fuselage now and opens his data from the Compass. He saves and synchronizes on the cloud. Once finished, he prepares the subassembly for the battery of the drone . From CATIA V5, he shares this folder from his drive with Romain, the electrical engineer of the company. Alain visualizes the shared assembly and annotates the area for battery location. He publishes on the community. Romain is notified that Alain has shared the model with him. He performs a search and refines with tags to retrieve the assembly. He downloads the related files and starts working on the battery of the drone. Alain continues working on the wing internal structure and assembles the final design. In the last step, we will address the review of the project and the access to the marketplace services. The below concept assists the project manager for decision making. The access to information and data with 3D dashboard, the capability to visualize and experiment V5 data on any device without CATIA installation, and the online access to the services. Carole, Alain and Romain review their design creation all together. They explore the design geometry and enjoy a playful experience. The drone design is ready to be printed. Carol connects to the Make marketplace and selects a qualified provider for printing. She publishes the Silverbird story on the company community, and here is the creation.
So as you have seen, the initiative, 3D Experience Social Collaboration Services, gives you a wide set of applications in order to work collaboratively across CATIA V5 software. It's key for the users to start thanks to the initiative in order to move forward after and get benefit of the whole catalog of Dassault Systèmes applications. If we look also in detail regarding the SUDI Drive, which is the online storage of Dassault Systèmes, an equivalent of Google Drive, people will get access to 5 GB of storage per user. So if we take the example of a company with 5 CATIA V5 seats, they will get 5 3D Experience Social Collaboration Services seats, so it brings a total of 25 GB of online storage. This storage will be used by anyone in the company, and there will be no restriction per quantity of storage per user to be pushed. And thanks to the 3D Play, anyone inside the company, with or without CATIA V5, will be able to see, consume CATIA V5 parts and products, and even annotate, visualize, or navigate through the product structure, and to get access to this content anywhere and on any device. As well, you will be able to get access to the CATIA ecosystem with 2 specific communities. One will be the CATIA community, and the second one will be the CATIA engineering community. Those 2 communities are given by default to anyone coming from the initiative, and thanks to that, people will be able to learn from the experts, interact with the ecosystem, and also consume best practices in order to increase your skills. Finally, the marketplace, which today contains 2 services, Make and Part Supply. Make gives the capability to designers and product owners to be in touch with manufacturers in order to have their CAD design manufactured and delivered on their companies as 3D printing manufacturing. Part Supply gives the opportunity to CATIA designers to instantiate on their product design a wide catalog of parts and products already digitalized from more than 600 suppliers, and today we've got a catalog of more than 30 million of parts to be instantiated directly within CATIA V5 for free.
So what are the values for you customers? Why is it interesting? Firstly, you can take advantages of the 3D Experience platform to enhance your collaboration. By continuing to use your CATIA V5 application, available also now through the 3D Experience platform. And this with no additional cost and no migration. You can also extend or expand your collaboration inside or outside your company with other departments or customers, for example. Indeed, you can use your access licenses for any profile, internal and external. The usage of your access rights is not exclusively dedicated to the CATIA V5 users in your company. Through the 3D Experience platform, you can see our large portfolio of applications available on the cloud. If you think that one or more of these applications can be very useful for you and bring added values in your activity, you can obviously ask to your partner to try applications. And finally, if you want to buy application, DS and your partner will be happy to make you benefit this year from attractive commercial conditions.
How this works? First, you will receive from your partner an email which will contain your dedicated token. You will consume this token, and after, this will deploy your own 3D experience platform on the cloud. If we look in detail, the email will be such as this one. You will be able to click on the call to action button, which will redirect you to the website of the 3D experience social collaboration services. Then after, you will have to log in with your 3D passport. So either you have already a 3D passport account and you will be able to fill your credentials, or you will have to create a new passport if you don't have one. Please notice that if you have forgotten your credentials, you are able to regenerate them directly with this forget my password link. So if you have to create your 3D passport, you will have to fill the different fields and then register. Once done, the token embedded in your email will be validated, and then after you will read and accept the term of use, hit the next button, and at this stage, your platform will be under deployment. This step takes around or even less than 3 minutes. Once done, you who has clicked on the email and the token will become the platform administrator. And also, once the platform is deployed, you will receive an email confirming you that your platform has been well deployed. Once your platform is deployed, you will be able to invite additional members as remaining licenses that you have on the platform. So in our case, we had 3 licenses. One has been consumed by the platform administrator, and 2 remains to be given to 2 additional users with the role business innovation. In terms of support, if something happened during this very specific day where you received the email up to the moment you have deployed your platform, which is specific to this initiative, it could be either on the login phase where you have forgotten your account, or during the platform deployment. If it's during the platform deployment, there will be an information that will appear on your user interface, on your internet navigator, and you don't have to do any action, nor your partner. It will be Dassault system who will be directly notified, and the system will handle the case in order to ensure your platform to be well deployed. When it's done, you will receive an email, and then after you will be as any other cloud customer and be able to invite additional members to work on your platform. At that stage, if you are facing any trouble, you will either be able to contact the community with the 3D Experience platform on Cloud Community to be supported by the field, or you will be able to contact your partner for you to be assisted directly with him. So in this case, what we'll do is we will send the end to David, who will present you this specific slide.
Yes, thank you. So just a few words about Keonis. So Keonis is part of CNIT Group. So CNIT Group is an international company which is present on Holland, Belgium, Luxembourg, also in France and Germany. But we are also available in US, Canada, or in Japan. So we are the first Dassault System partner. We have a revenue of 120 million euros, and with more 3,000 customers. So our mission is to help our customer to deploy a Dassault System solution as the 3D experience through methodology, training, project deployment of the full platform. We can go until the ERP integration, and we have a strong knowledge in several topics as manufacturing, simulation, or MES. We also provide our own solution on robotic or specific application to deploy more easily the 3D experience as a CNIT spin. So, how can you contact the call center? So, if you want to contact the call center, you can contact us through directly our portal, support.cenit.com, through the web, but you can also call us by phone or by email at callcenter@kionis.com. So if you have any question, feel free to contact us to support you on this new topic.
Thank you, David.
Thank you, David. So what we've done as well in order to help you adopt and enroll the initiative, it's providing you an additional dashboard directly from the Student Experience Social Collaboration website where you landed via your email. So once you've got your platform deployed, you will be able to come back to this website. And at the bottom, you will see a link in order to add a 3D dashboard to your newly deployed platform. This will instantiate the dashboard on your platform and give you access to particular and important information. First of all, you will be able to get access to an online course giving you an overview and more details on the business innovation role. You will also be able to access to the 2 different communities that were embedded inside the dashboard, CATIA and CATIA Engineering, as well as the make and part supply communities, and finally, the community for supporting the users, as well as key links for you to support yourself or be supported, either with information related to certified hardware or the user guide or even the link to open service request. So all of this is given to you directly via this dashboard. Regarding the online course, Business Innovation, here is the structure. It's composed of 5 different modules, which can be learned separately. And they are all covering the different aspects of all the capabilities that are given to you via this business innovation role.
Thank you, Florent. So to sum up, this initiative concerns all CATIA V5 customers with a license and under subscription. We provide an access to the 3D Experience collaboration platform on the cloud to all CATIA V5 users with no additional cost, so free and without migration. With the 3D Experience platform, you can now share and interact about your project, and so enhance and expand your collaboration inside or outside your company. You have also the opportunity to discover all of our applications developed by TS, Dassault Systèmes, since CATIA V5. Of course, Dassault Systèmes and your partner propose you to benefit this year of specific commercial conditions if needed. Thank you.
Thank you very much.